to other team. If other team say the correct answer, they get the 5 marks bonus mark. Okay, the second round image will be shown. You have to identify the image and say the marks means it will be the 10 marks. Then next round is the correction. Some pictures will be there. You should connect, that means link between the pictures and then identify the word and then say the answer. The team, you should discuss along with your two teammates and then say the answer. The answer should be clear and louder. Clear? Yeah. Yeah. First question for team A. Which is the large? Yeah, first question. How many new turtle species, that means a small lizards, are found by researchers from Terrado? Option A 5, option B 7, option C 11, D 6. How many small species, that means lizards, found in Terrado? Options A 5, 7, 11 and 6. Louder. Sorry, 7 is wrong answer. Then question will be moved on to PT. 6. Louder. 6. Yeah, 6 is the correct answer. The points go to PT. Now the question for PT. Yeah, now question for PT. This is the question. How many days Kalpana Chawla and their team stayed in the space? How many days Kalpana Chawla and their team stayed in the space? Option A 15 days, then 35 days, 52 days, then 31 days. 35 days. 35 days. Sorry, it is wrong answer. Next question is pass on 3. C. Option C 52. Wrong answer. Then same answer should not repeat.
Option B 31 days.
Yeah, 31 days is the correct answer. Then point goes to TT. Then now the chance for CT. Yeah, question for CT. Listen the question. How many habitation in India have been affected by arsenic poisoning? Option A 230. Then 360, option C 320, option D 158.
Option B 316.
Yeah, the answer is correct. 10 points for CD. Then now the question for DT. Which is the largest type of sea lion? Which is the largest type of sea lion? Option A shelter sea lion, B Japanese sea lion, C Indian sea lion, D Australian sea lion.
Option A shelter sea lion.
This wrong answer. Only choice. Only one more choice will be given. That's right. Now the choice for 18. Japanese sea lion. Yeah, it is correct answer. Japanese sea lion is the correct answer. Now the points for 18. The question is for 18 next. Now the question for 18. This is the question. Who discovered the first pendulum clock? Who discovered the first pendulum clock? Option A Christian Huygens, Galileo Galilei, Michael Faraday, Marie Curie. Yeah, B point. Other B point. Christian Huygens, Galileo Galilei, Michael Faraday, Marie Curie. Say out the action. Option A. Yeah, option A, Christian Huygens is the correct answer. Full mark for 18. Now the question for DT. This is the question DT. You are riding a bike when suddenly hit by a large wave. The bike stops moving, but you fly over the handlebar. This is an example of dash. Newton's first law, Newton's second law, Newton's third law of conservation. This is the question. Newton's first law.
Laws of conservation. Option B.
No. Sorry, it is the the wrong answer. Now the chance for CD.
Option C, Newton's third law.
It is also wrong answer. So no wrong for Newton. Yeah. First law is the correct answer. Newton's first law is correct answer. Now the question for CD. This is the question. Yeah. Dash lenses are used as camera lenses. Dash lenses are used as camera lenses. Option A, concave lens. Option B, convex lens. Option C, plano concave, and none of the above.
Option D, convex.
Option D, convex is the correct answer. Now the full mark for CT. Then now the chance for DT. The vapor density of the helium gas is dash. The vapor density of the helium gas is dash. Option A, equal to 1, greater, less than 1, greater than 1, 0.
Option D, 0.
Option D, 0 is the wrong answer. Now chance goes to first 18.
Option D, less than 1.
It is also wrong answer. No score for anyone. Yeah, wait. Now greater than 1 is the correct answer. Yeah. Now chance for 18. This is the question. Modern periodic law is based on dash. Modern periodic law is based on dash. Option A, atomic mass. B, atomic number. C, number of neutrons. And D, number of electrons.
Option B, atomic number.
Option B, atomic number is the correct answer. Then chance for DT. Lifespan of Odyssey is. Lifespan of Odyssey is. Option A, 100 days, 200 days, 120 days, and 150 days.
Option A, 100 days.
It is wrong answer. Question goes to CT. Lifespan of Odyssey is.
Option C, 150.
It is also wrong answer. No marks for anyone. Yeah, now the chance is CT. Yeah, answer is 120 days is the correct answer. RBC lifespan is 120 days. Yeah. Now the chance for CT. What is the color of lymph? What is the color of lymph? Red, white, yellow, colorless. What is the color of lymph?
Option D, colorless.
Yeah, after D, colorless is the correct answer. Points for CT. Now the question pass on to DT. This is the question. Retina of the eye is made up of dash neurons. Retina of the neuron retina of the eye is made up of dash neurons.
Option
A.
Bipolar.
Yeah, very good. Option A, bipolar is the correct answer. Points for DT. First round. This is the last question. First round is over.
Round 1, Team A scored 25 marks and Team B 5 and Team C 35 marks and Team D 10 points. Team C is leading 35 points.
Yeah, now it is the second round. Now it is the second round. Here each team have one image. You have to identify the image and say the answer. If it is your answer is not right, means you cannot get the score. Yeah, now the image is for team A. Identify the image. Identify the personality. I give one clue. He is an Indian scientist. He awarded 2013 Nobel Prize for artificial photosynthesis. This is the clue. Yes. He Nobel Prize for 2013 for artificial.
B.N. Rao.
B.
Rao.
Rao. It is the correct answer. Very good. Now the chance for detail. Identify the instrument. It is used for something. So I can explain about it. Identify the instrument.
Calorimeter.
Yeah, yes, the calorimeter is the correct answer. Very good. Yeah, beer is the correct answer. Yeah, now the question for BP. Let's see what. Cola is the correct answer. CT. Question for CT na? Silicon. Skeleton is the correct answer. Then this is chance for BP. See the first one.
Answer,
See the
yeah.
first one.
Come on,
First teacher. Yeah, Tycho. Yeah, density is the correct answer. First teacher is there. Density. Density is the correct answer. Now chance for team A.
Last round.
Yeah, electricity is the correct answer. Yeah, now for the PT. PT.
Time over.
Yeah, time over. No score for PT. Solar is the correct answer. Solar. Platinum. Yeah, platinum is the correct answer. So for CT. Now the chance for PT. PT. Chemistry. Yeah, chemistry is the correct answer. Then now the chance for AD.
Last chance.
Catalyst. Catalyst is the correct answer. Then PT. Say the answer.
Activated. Activated.
So,
Bacterial.
sorry.